I hope you're all doing great. I am Mr. Ish. In this video we have to find the area of the shaded region, which is this part right here in green. Start with determining how many circles you see. We see 4. Here's my large circle with its center, then here's a slightly smaller circle with that center, then 2 independent smaller circles with their centers as are marked. How would you go about determining the area of shaded region if I told you that this portion right here is your radius? You can always start with determining the area of the very large circle, and we'll say VL. Area of the very large circle would simply be pi r square. Then let's look at this area of the slightly smaller circle, and we can just call that slightly smaller. How about we just say slightly smaller? If this right here represents a radius, the slightly smaller circle obviously has a radius which is half of that. That would be pi r over 2 square, and that would be pi r square over 4. Now let's look at the 2 independent smaller circles, and we'll just say RS, area of the really small circles, ARS. You know, if this is R and then this right here is R over 2, then we're looking at a half of that, then that must be R over 4. We have pi and then R over 4 square, which becomes pi r square over 16. Now what is necessary here and what is not necessary with regards to determining the area of the shaded region? Obviously the very large circle area is irrelevant. If you have just a slightly smaller circle area, from that you're minusing a bunch of things and that'll give you that. So the relevant area are just these two here. The slightly smaller circle has an area pi r square over 4. If you were to minus from this pi r square over 4, the combined effect of both of these, and there are 2 of those, minus 2 of these pi r square over 16, what do we get? We have pi r square over 4 minus pi r square over 8. When you do the algebra here, you're getting a 2 pi r square minus pi r square. You're getting here a pi r square over 8. But what does pi r square over 8 represent? Since you're taking this circle and you're minusing these two, it represents the combined area of this part right here and this part right here. But we only need half of that. You multiply this by 1 over 2 and you get pi r square over 16, and that would be the area of the shaded region, which is what we wanted. The area of the shaded region, and it's done. Pi r square over 16, and you can see how everything has come about. And that will bring us here to the end of this video. Thank you for watching.